Hey everybody, I thought I'd try one of these tutorials because it's much easier to try to explain. Everybody wonders, I always talk about how they move so well. You have to make sure they're wet when the paints are moving around. This is started, it's a rose for a different challenge. I basically put a dab of that and a dab of that on the rock. Swirled it around last night, let it dry. So it had lots of different texture and colors and pinks and reds. So today I started working with the pens. One thing about the Posca red is it's a very warm, kind of more, I don't know, fire engine red. I like the cool reds, so by using this first, it gives me the variations for your textures. So then I started cutting because I want to blend it. I always use, pardon the middle finger, but that's what I usually blend in with. I did it with the big pink there. I don't know how well you can see it. The big pink, and it was a little hard. I went at it with my 5M. So I could either cut back in again with my 1M, love my 1Ms, or back in with the red end. It's a little bit too much pink for the highlight, so I'm going to cut back in with the red, I think. But I still want to keep it where my darker areas are because I want to keep the light hitting that area. So basically, I'm just going to kind of dab into the pink. With my red 1M, and then blend and smudge and tap it out. See how it's taken off that real hard edge of the pink. But I gotta keep in mind, see how it's a warmer red? I don't know, I guess my years of colors, hairstylist. I see things in tones and shades and levels. Blend it, tap it in. Tap it in before it dries. That's way too much pink there, but I got dark kind of coming in from that side, so I'm going to dab this side from... Apparently I should have scratched my marker off. Oh, scratch my marker off. Scratch pad. There it is. Back in, okay. Back side. Or you can draw some lines, but just be careful that they're not too hard lines. Tap, tap, tap. Before it dries, it slides. You can dab it a little, or you can dab it a lot. One good thing about having your finger already, try not to give you the middle finger again, is it still has shades of red, and it'll blend. This might have to be the new sacrificial pen. Went through a lot of red at Christmas. There you are. There you have it. So wherever you decide to kind of break it up or add more, that one's going to need more work than this video is going to have time for. But there you have it. Smudge finger. Moves beautifully. It's going to be a rose. It's for another challenge. Hope you enjoyed.